Tonight, Disney World is closed, flights are canceled, and that means your vacation may be a bust, and you've lost hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. Consumer reporter John Matarese is here to show you how to protect your vacations. But first, a new warning about storm charities are going to pop up, John.
Oh, yes, Tanya, they already are. As we start to see images of devastation in Haiti and probably soon in Florida, many Tri-Staters naturally will want to help. Now, local charitable groups like Matthew 15 Ministries, they're already collecting cleaning supplies, food, and other items for those in need, as is the American Red Cross. But Florida's Attorney General tonight is warning you to beware hurricane-related appeals for money from groups that you don't know. Florida's AG says never give a credit card number to someone who calls you on the phone. Also, research any GoFundMe.com appeal for money. And stick with well-known charities. Watch for fly-by-night groups that may pop up suddenly online. Well, Disney World has just announced it is closing for the day tomorrow, and with dozens of beach resorts evacuated, some travelers will end up losing hundreds of dollars. But if you have the right kind of insurance, you may not have to forfeit a penny. It's tough to cancel a vacation. Tiffany Evans of Northern Kentucky is still heading to Disney World this week because they've paid for it.
We're hoping to spend about 3 days at Disney, but Friday might be a wash, but we'll figure it out once we get down there.
Bill Nugent knows what it's like, though, to cancel a trip you've prepaid for.
Once we had a death in the family, I had to cancel a trip 3 days before.
Fortunately, Bill had bought travel insurance for both trips. He got back most of the nearly $12,000 he laid out. But do you really need travel insurance? Our partners at Consumer Reports magazine say maybe, but buy wisely. For instance, don't buy insurance that covers small losses like lost luggage. Not worth it. And if you're worried about dying in a plane crash, skip flight insurance. Instead, think about term life insurance that covers you no matter what the cause of death.
Before you buy travel insurance, first check the insurance you already have. Medical emergencies may be covered by your health insurance, a fender bender by your credit card.
If you're heading outside the U.S., your health insurance may not cover a hospital visit, so medical travel insurance can be a good idea. Finally, Consumer Reports says if you've prepaid for a cruise or resort, consider trip cancellation insurance. You can buy it from AAA or websites like InsureMyTrip.com. Now, you don't need travel insurance if you're simply driving to a beach hotel that allows you to cancel. But if you have to put down a deposit, ask about insuring it anytime you go in the future. I hope you can join me tonight at 11 as I check out the Tri-State's newest food delivery service. I'll let you know if Uber Eats is worth trying or a case of don't waste your money.